So yesterday, Ferg reached Conqueror, and now he's cooking all the haters. Because everyone doubted him, saying that it will be not easy, but Ferg prove it that it is easy for him. He didn't even sweat at reaching Conqueror. After the achievement Ferg did, he asked PUBG to challenge him whether to play UR or be #1 in PUBG. Also, Ferg want the haters to go bald. Most likely Zen Pro and Tooth. Here's a video of 4K. Synth that Zen Pro should stand up for his bet on Ferg reaching Conqueror.
Zen Pro, magpakalbo ka na.
Ayun, si Papi Mako. Ay, ingat sa biyahe.
Zen Pro, magpakalbo ka na. Conqueror na daw si Ferg eh. Sana tolo magpakalbo ka na, Zen. Dapat, yung mga Team OG, may isang salita kayo dapat.
Si Gulay, maging Gulay na.
Di ba guys, na-reach siya na talaga. Conqueror na talaga. May patunay na conqueror na. Yun. Kung naka-conqueror na si Ferg, magpakalbo na sila. Yun lang yun. Ganun lang yun. Nag-aangas-angas. Ganito, ganyan. Hindi magpakalbo. Aha. Dalawa sila ni Tut. Alam ko yun.
So for all Ferg haters, he is waiting